Hey, thanks for joining in today. I'm Jane Sketches, and let's continue with the Floral series with this third piece. So, welcome back for another Friday with me. The topic I wanted to talk a little bit about is how I almost didn't have a video for today. Like the thumbnail title says, I got distracted. Even though I have quite a few pre-recorded drawings and paintings, I don't edit them until the week of. I have found that I stay motivated when there are things to do, but as of recently, working on my art has been tough. I'm plagued by the condition of my room / art studio. It's a mess. Not as bad as it would usually be, but enough to make me feel uncomfortable. And I've been trying to clean up by decluttering, and it's taking a while. Too long, really. I decided to show this particular elf today because I approached it similarly to how I'm approaching my room. She begins with all these intricacies, and as I continued with the piece, you'll see that I try my best to simplify the process. Basically, I felt bogged down by my environment, and I'm looking to simplify things. A lot like the painting. There were too many details, and I was losing inspiration at the time to paint, and so to get myself to keep working on it, I lessened the details. So similar with my environment, my room, I'm trying to lessen the things that I own so that the things that actually matter to me, I can use and feel inspired. That said, I'll leave you guys to watch this painting transform as I try to simplify the complicated, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
Watching you fade away, you let me disintegrate. Don't leave me on my own. In the chaos, I see the bliss. In the mayhem, I see the abyss. Just when you need it at the most, I just go. In the chaos, I see the bliss. In the mayhem, I see the abyss. Just when you need it at the most, I just ghost. Ask you what you're thinking about. Ask you what you're dreaming about. Say your life is full of doubts. You don't know what you're talking about. You tell me what's on your mind, but how can you be so blind? I am the one who's hurting, but I'm just a burden. In the chaos, I see the bliss. In the mayhem, I see the abyss. Just when you need it at the most, I just ghost. In the chaos, I see the bliss. In the mayhem, I see the abyss. Just when you need it at the most, I just ghost. I just ghost. In the in the fire. Spent my days trying to impress. Fill up your emptiness. I don't know what else to say. I can feel you pull away. You don't understand where I come from, 'cause you're just love. In the chaos I see the bliss. In the mayhem.
Like I mentioned, she went through a lot of transformation. I decided to do a collage for the flowers like I did last elf video. I really like that idea from Morning Coffee. As always, link to the photos used are from pexel.com, a free stock photo site. Check the description for links to the photographers, or I'll have it on the screen. Her final piece isn't as amazing as how she looked in the sketch, but I feel I captured her better this way. Thanks for watching, and also if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. I upload every week on Friday, mostly at 10 a.m. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye!